So today I want to just sort of give you an overview of my little enclosed garden here. You can see I've got this PVC pipe. I built this structure, based off of some of the things I'd seen, read about. It is not glued together except at the top. The top we had to glue it just because it was pulling. There was a lot of tension on the top. But otherwise these are just, hand pushed together. And then covered with a regular old bird netting. So you can see it's kind of that you can't even really focus on it because of the camera, but I can show it to you better here. This kind of bird netting here. And the whole thing is wrapped in that bird netting. A couple of places where I had to fix it was up at the top here, and I don't know if you can even really see it, but there's an overlap here because it wasn't big enough. The cloth wasn't big enough, and so I had to use some fishing line to kind of seam it up, and so that's worked very well. That was after a bird got in. And then you can see I've also used these little clips here. You can get these on Amazon. They're not too expensive. You just get it for the size of your pipe and they just snap on. That's really helpful. And of course some zip ties, my favorite zip ties. And then I built this door as well. So the door, I'll come over here so you can see it a little bit better. The door is open right now. So you can see, it's a little bit smaller space on the bottom, which gives it a little more strength. And then the tall part here. I also ran around the bottom, sort of as an afterthought, this actual fencing wire. I had it. I bought a little bit of the bigger one, just because one day I came out here to find my dog was inside the enclosure. He'd come in after a squirrel that had gotten in, and he pushed his way through where the netting wasn't sealed all the way. So I again used fishing line, and I don't know if you can, I haven't done that side, but you can see over here I use the fishing line to just sort of tie it to the netting. It's not really meant to hold much. It's just to give a little bit of an option for animals not to get in. So that's my enclosure, and it sure makes my gardening a whole lot easier to be able to walk into this about 8.5 foot structure. The squirrels can't get in, the birds can't get in. I still battle, obviously, aphids and things like that, all the bugs, but this keeps the rabbits out. It keeps all of our, our local pets out. I call them pets, but all those lovely natural animals that are in the wild that like to eat my garden, and I'd rather eat my garden. Thank you very much. And that's it. Don't hesitate to ask questions in the comments below, and feel free to click the like button and send me what you've done with your PVC pipe.